Over here I've just added the onions, and we're just going to let that saute in. This of course is on low heat so we don't burn that garlic. See how that's just becoming nice and toasty?
Oh yeah. So just the lowest setting. Oh yeah, look at that setting. It's just a barely saute. Did you use a little coconut oil in there?
Yep.
Okay,
yep.
cool.
I used a couple tablespoons of coconut oil.
So that's just the garlic and onions to start. Mm-hmm. Open it?
Yep. And careful not to shake it because we want that cream on the top.
Alright.
We're just going to take all of this paste.
This is the Thai Kitchen green curry paste.
Now if I'm making a small batch, I'll use 1 jar. I like a lot of Thai spice, so I use 2 of these jars. And then sometimes I'll add in some Thai spices, or if we like more heat, we've got a couple of jalapenos over there that we can use.
Is this stuff spicy too?
Yeah, it's got some spice in it. When you get your coconut, don't shake the can. Keep it nice and level. And then scoop the nice thick cream off the top. All right, so we've got it on low heat, and we're just going to use the cream to get that nicely mixed. If you dump the whole can in right off the bat, you'll end up with chunkies, and it'll be more difficult to mix in. Now that I've got the cream mixed in, now I can start dumping in the rest.
Stages.
Stages.
Makes sense. You like mixing concrete, like you just want to start with a little bit at a time,
right.
Keep adding.
Oh my gosh, how many times have you added too much water to your concrete or mortar?
Yeah. Well, then you just have to add more concrete.
You gotta add more.
It's just going to be a weak slab now. It's not going to go farther.
Exactly. We don't want no weak slab.
We don't want no
Thai
weak
curry.
slab.
You want a spoonful of that?
Yeah, I do. Do I?
I don't know. Do you?
I'll try it.
Oh my gosh, that smells so good, that garlic.
All right, so there it is right there. It's dripping on my hand. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's so good.
Okay, if we do more cooking videos, we're gonna have to stock you up with some good knives, some professional pans.
Hey, you guys want to see more cooking videos on Moringa? If you do, put it in the comments. And, or even not even just Moringa, we can kind of cook anything really. I think Moringa is just like my obsession, so I really want to learn how to use it in every single possible way we can.
Right.
Pretty much, you just put Moringa in anything, and it'll taste delicious.
Just use it like you would use asparagus or peppers or anything.
Use it or lose it, mister.
Use it or lose it. I'm just gonna put in some ginger root. If you notice, I haven't even peeled it. I've just washed it really nicely and just sliced it. Just leave them in there to saute, add some really nice flavor into that.
Awesome.
Most people put it off to the side because it is really hard to chew. It's very fibrous, but I love it.
You eat it?
I eat it. Awesome. All right, so now that we've got that going on, we've got enough vegetables and things to put in here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this second can in there. And then as you get those carrots cut, just throw them in.
Okay.
And look at the color. Right, when I was giving you the list, I told you red pepper, just because I like that.
The color.
Like the color in there. Juxtaposed with the green curry and the green moringa.
Yeah, I mean, you really should be eating colorful food, guys. And when I say that, I don't mean like food coloring. I mean like this.
Food coloring. Skittles, the rainbow.
Food coloring is essentially paint. If you want people to go crazy, feed them paint. But if you want people to like be healthy and love life, Feed them colors like this.
Feed them colors. I opened the wrong can. I should have opened the sliced ones because I'm just a really lazy.
Slice up those ones.
I'm just a really lazy cooker.
I love water chestnuts so much. They just have that. I mean, I don't even know what they are. What are they?
Good question. I don't know, man.
But they have just this amazing crunch to them.
They're really great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. With your hand. Oops, I just dropped it.
They look like scallops, but they're not.
Are we gonna add mushrooms?
Mushrooms are, they're like the meat of vegetables for me. Just gonna kind of go for it. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Oh my gosh.
And see, I didn't even see the celery you have hiding over here, so we're gonna add that. Look at this, on the celery, French cut.
Nice.
Look at that. And all, French cut, sounds so fancy, but all it is really just turning your vegetable on an angle.
Love it.
Right, get rid of that part there. And then when I get close, then I go slowly. That's me.
When I get close to my fingers, I just go faster.
Do you?
No.
You're like, I don't need that finger.
I like all my fingers. I'm happy with them.
Now, we're just gonna cut these. This large one, after it cooks, we're gonna have to set these off to the side of our plate, break them open, and use our teeth to scrape out all the insides. So I'm gonna cut these a little larger, just for easy handling. And then we're just gonna cut them into bite-sized pieces. Oh, look at that, there's even seeds in this one.
Nice.
So it really doesn't matter how big these are. A little bite-sized, if they fall apart, that's fine. Because we should be able to chew these up just fine after they've simmered for a while. And if you notice, I'm not going super fast with this because I've peeled them, and so they're a little fragile. So I'm making sure that I have a nice sharp edge, and I'm going nice and quick. Oh, see? Just smushed it. When my mom first made our first batch of moringa curry, she made moringa curry, and then I was throwing leaves in my salad and a bunch of other stuff. I was like, oh, yeah, I'm feeling this.
Yeah,
right? Like
right.
It was a noticeable difference for someone like me.
For sure.
Right? So just be careful.
Well, you know, just know that, you know, it's like if you eat a pound of cherries or if you eat something that's really going to clean you out, just know moringa will do that. But what it's doing is it's detoxing your whole body.
Exactly.
It's pulling things out of your body so you can eliminate them, the bad stuff. So you might even get a little bit of a stomachache if you eat too much moringa. My recommendation is to start small and, you know, eat a little bit every day. And then you can kind of build up, your body can get used to all these nutrients, because what moringa is, it's like a fire hose of nutrients like into your body that your body hasn't really experienced this level of nutrient density. And so it shocks it a little bit for a second, but it's a good shock, and you will definitely start having more energy, feel better the more moringa you eat. So, and you don't even really have to always eat it. You could pop capsules every single day.
Look at that.
Wow.
Gorgeous.
It smells so good.
All right, so we're gonna cover this, let it simmer. Actually, I think we can throw the moringa in.
We can probably throw the pods in. We can actually probably throw it all in.
Let's throw this in.
What about some leaves? You want to
leaves,
wait on them?
Absolutely.
Throw them in now?
And save some of those, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna use those like cilantro in our rice.
Okay. Yes. Awesome. We do have a little bit of cilantro too. We should throw that in the rice.
We sure can.
All right.
Cilantro.
So we'll just throw a couple handfuls of this on top, and then this just gets mixed right in. And
oh my gosh. Wow. See, full pot.
Yep, but it'll cook down. It actually won't even be that full after the moringa kind of settles. So we got this cooking, simmering.
We've got this cooking. This is going to simmer for a good 30 to 45 minutes, up to an hour. You know, just don't let Just don't let it boil off.
Let it boil.
Yeah, don't let it boil off.
Keep it at a really low simmer.
Yep.
30 minutes.
And as you can see, I think you got a shot of this. That's just, you know, you don't want to, like I did, lift the lid too often. The rice is going. It actually has a timer on it. It should tell you how much time is left.
It's done.
It's done already? Oh my gosh. So fluff that.
Whoa.
That was nice. Whoa, careful there.
Wow, that is perfectly done.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Rice.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. And let's take a small bowl.
Nice fluffy rice.
Take this cup.
So those lime quats, you just juiced in these ones?
Mm-hmm. Here you go.
That's not bad.
It's not
one of these trees. It's actually pretty good. This lime quat, like this, it looks like a lemon, but it's a lime quat. So kind of sour, but not too sour. A little bit sour, but not bitter. Not what you'd imagine. You ever done this with a orange? I mean, with a lime or a lemon? Woo. A little bit sour, but delicious. After the sour, it's kind of sweet.
I think quat means small.
Oh.
I'm just guessing.
I thought it meant like idiot.
Lime quat.
No, I'm just joking.
Lime quat, kumquat, low quat.
Well, I think the quat part is when you can eat the skin.
Oh, is that what it means?
Because a kumquat, you can eat the skin. It's a citrus that you... All the quat varieties,
right,
you can eat the skins on them.
Well, now, that's kind of a misnomer, though.
Well, you can eat the skins on the other ones, but they just don't taste good.
Right.
It's the bitter... That's where all the bitterness is in the rind.
I see what you mean.
There's no bitterness in the rind on these.
All right, so now I've got a bit of lime juice here. We're just going to sprinkle that in there. I might need a little more. Then grab okay, we're going to IKEA to get you some more utensils.
Okay. I went to IKEA to get my cabinets.
Did you?
As well, yeah. There's some cilantro. I think I want to throw a little bit of that in the rice.
Yeah, let's chop up some cilantro, and then I'm just going to dump a bunch of these leaves in there. So one other bonus in this cooking class, we're going to show you folks how the Filipinos slice up a mango.
I'm excited to see that. All right, so look at that rice, moringa, cilantro.
Needs more of everything.
More of everything.
Yeah, we're gonna juice up. We're just gonna juice up all these limes. Needs more of the coconut. Definitely more of the coconut.
I think it might need a little hit of salt.
Go for it. Collaboration in the kitchen. Definitely needs more lime.
Yeah, I could use more lime for sure. This is kind of boiling up a little bit. Should we either turn it down or?
Sure. Yeah, definitely turn that down. Good eye. Yeah, 'cause that's getting good. Really.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
If that flame doesn't go any lower, maybe take it off the flame for a little bit.
Okay.
Because that looks pretty hot. That looks good.
I'll let you try one of these olives that I actually cured these years ago, and they've been in the fridge for a while. But
really, you did those? Nice.
Put it on there.
The rest of that lime juice in there.
olives that I harvested off Camelback Road by a museum a couple years ago.
Wow, that is really good.
Good, right? Takes a few years for them to really get good. Because I'm not using any lye. When you use lye, they will actually cure in a couple weeks, like a month.
Gotcha.
But when you use actual salt brine, it does take a while for them to actually get delicious. Good.
And so many people just cut down their olive trees. You know, I do a lot of
spray them with poison.
Or spray them with poison, right?
Produce olives. I'm like, oh, God's given us all this freaking food, and we just spray it with poison so it doesn't get messy. Like, why don't we learn how to just pick them off and make olives, or give them to someone that wants to make olive stuff with it?
You know, that would be a great business model. Someone just go around and pick olives off of everybody's tree. Go home.
Totally, and you can clean up their tree.
Exactly.
We're gonna clean up the tree for free. Clean up your tree for free!
So we're just gonna put this directly into our rice though.
Ooh, mango rice. All right, I like the sound of that.
There we go.
And if you come back next month and we do this video again, we're gonna have some fresh mangoes off my trees.
Oh yeah, I've got a couple on my tree too.
I think next month is the month.
Yeah. Really excited.
Or possibly the end of this one because it's his July.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever had coconut, moringa, lime mango rice? What?
Cilantro.
What?
I know exactly.
Again, being very gentle, not being overzealous, and trying to look cool on camera so I don't slice my fingers off.
Yeah, don't do that.
No. That would be, well, you might get some more ratings.
Yeah, it's true.
You know, a few more views.
Faces of Death, develop awesome skills style.
Oh no, oh my
Now,
gosh.
I gotta say, cooking is an awesome skill, so I think it definitely belongs on my channel.
Absolutely,
especially cooking
it
with
does.
moringa.
Absolutely. And doing easy things too. You know, I'm not a chef. I can cook things, right? It's like I'm not a mechanic, but I can change the alternator.
Right.
But luckily, I have an awesome mom who just knows how to whip some cool stuff up. Based on this. Oh.
Is that it?
It's perfect. Yeah, try that. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh
Wow.
man.
That mango
Mm-hmm.
gives it that little extra.
Yep. A little sweetness.
A little sweetness.
A little tartness.
I think we could even throw a little jalapeno in there if you want to really dice it fine. Ooh. If you want.
Oh. I want gloves because I'm. You know,
I'll do it.
You'll do it? Okay. I'm doing stuff later. I don't want to.
Friends with the jalapenos.
Okay. Because you know
I like this knife. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. Yep.
And look at you. You're already using the back side.
I know. I did. I used the back side. I remember what you said. When it's not your knife, you're nicer to it.
Oh man. Wow, we're gonna have spice, we're gonna have sour.
It's I don't think these were too spicy because they're the really big ones. So but it's just gonna add that jalapeno flavor really. When is it going to be ready to?
It's ready. I mean, we can eat. We're just waiting on the tea.